Welcome everyone. Really excited to get started on recipes for busy bees. Now, not all the recipes are going to be videos like this one, but this one I had to share with you guys. This is a recipe that I got a long time ago from a friend who just made delicious salsa. And it's kind of a combination of freshness as well as with a little canned salsa. It's super easy to toss together, super cheap, super delicious. You're gonna want the recipe, so stick around. All right guys, this couldn't be simpler. We start with some of our canned goods. We give those a good rinse. So we're gonna open up a can of black beans, dump those out, give them a good rinse, toss them around a little bit, and then we're gonna open up canned corn and toss that around a little bit in the water, get that cleaned off. The corn should be Showpeg corn is what we usually use, and it is delicious. It's sort of crunchy, it still feels fresh, even though it's canned, it's amazing. Try it out, people. It's gonna be delicious. Then after we add those two canned goods, now we get into the chopping. We have to chop peppers. All you gotta do is get 2 peppers. Use whatever you like. If you want a pop of color, use yellow and red. I chose for this one red and green. It's no problem, no difference. You're gonna cut those up nicely, slice them, I cut them open, I take out that rib, and then I cut them or dice them if you will. You do that, you toss that into the same bowl that we have all the other ingredients in. Then you're gonna add half of a red onion and you're gonna dice that pretty much the same size as you did the red and green peppers and toss that into the same bowl. And now we have sort of one sort of mystery ingredient, and that is your favorite salsa. I happen to use Pace medium heat, and you put the one whole can of that in, or jar of that in. Then we toss it together and it is delicious with the freshness of the onion and the peppers, with the beans and the corn, mixed with that delicious salsa flavor. It could feed an army because there's just so much of it. You guys gotta give this recipe a try. So for those of you that tuned in to this busy bee recipe, this is a must try. Go out there and have at it. And if you guys have salsa recipes or other dips that you like, post links below. I love collecting these kind of recipes. We can share these things out. It's great. Love to hear from you guys. Hope you are having a wonderful day, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thanks, guys.